Honor launched its new X series phone in China called Honor X70i, with dedicated multipurpose AI camera button. Now let's explore the specifications of this smartphone. The Honor X70i features a tall 6.7-inch Full HD Plus AMOLED display, with up to 120 Hz refresh rate and up to 3500 nits of peak brightness support. Under the hood, the phone is powered by MediaTek Dimensity 7025 Ultra chipset, paired with IMG BXM8256 GPU. In terms of storage, the smartphone packs with 8 or 12 GB of RAM, that can be extended up to another 12 GB by using internal storage, and it has 256, or 512 GB of onboard storage. As per the optics, the Honor X70i sports a single 108-megapixel camera on the rear, with f1.75 aperture. For selfies, it has 8-megapixel camera under the pill-shaped hole punch at the top center, with f2.0 aperture. The device comes equipped by a massive 6000 mAh battery, with 35 watts fast charging support, and it runs on Android 15 out of the box, with Magic OS 9 skin on top. Additionally, the smartphone features an in-display fingerprint sensor for authentication, and it is IP65 certified for dust and splash resistance. The connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM 5G, dual-band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.3, GPS, NFC, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of this smartphone measures at 161 by 74.55 by 7.29 millimeters, and it weighs around 178.5 grams. So now let's have a look at the pricing details of this smartphone. The Honor X70i has been priced in China for 8GB plus 256GB storage variant at 1,399 Chinese yuan, while the 12GB plus 256GB storage model is priced at 1,699 Chinese yuan, and the higher variant with 12GB plus 512GB storage option is priced at 1,899 Chinese yuan. The smartphone is now available for purchase in the country in Magnolia Purple, Velvet Black, Mint Green, and Moon Shadow White color options. So, what do you guys think of this Honor X70i smartphone? Do let us know in the comments section below, and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching, we'll see you guys in our next video. Yeah.